Hi friends, welcome to Forex Raja. Let's do the analysis for GBPINR for 17th August, which is tomorrow. Friends, I've been talking about GBPINR and I've clearly told that one of the key levels to watch out is this, which is one of the key levels to watch out is the 9520 9520 level. This is the very important level to watch. If 9520 breaches on the downside, then if spot goes below this, then there is a confirmed downtrend on the GBP INR. But until and unless we are above 9520, the trend still looks upward for a target of 96, 96 and 96, 96 and a half, and then 97 upwards. So very clearly today we saw that the trend came down. It took support very close to 95.20 and again it rose. So if we take a 1 hour chart, if we take a 1 hour chart here, you can see here very clearly today the fall started from 97, then 96 broke. Once 96 broke, it came here very close to 96, 95.20ish or 95.40, and from there again a support is taken. So what should we do tomorrow? Very clearly, if tomorrow opening is above 96, if opening is above 96, one should be on the buy side for a target, immediate target of 96.50. 96.50 will become immediate target if you are buying at 96. If 96.50 is holding, then again the next target to look at will be this level around 96.88. If that is holding, again it will test 97 and 97 and above. One of the very important thing above 97 is 97.32. At 97.32, if selling comes, it will again be on the sell side. But until it reaches to that point, the movement will be going, it goes down, it will come up again. The way it went down, it will come up again. So very clearly, tomorrow buy level. Tomorrow you will buy GBPINR only if the spot is above 96. Below 96, which means if the spot opens below 95.8, then one can take a stop loss of 96 and sell GBPINR for a target of 95.5 or max 95.4. Below that, don't expect, because suddenly there will always be buying happening at these levels. So one needs to be careful on GBPINR. Specifically, when we look at the daily chart also, it is not giving a good trend of breakout yet. If I look at the daily chart here, friends, it is not giving a good breakout trend. Even though in the daily chart we can see down, it takes support, comes down, it takes support, comes down, it takes support, comes down, again I'm expecting a support over here. So don't be very in a hurry to do selling, but wait, look for the key data points that we discussed. 96 and above, it is buy, target will be 96.5 and above. Then we have to see. Selling will be 95.8 and below, target will be 95.4 or 95.5. That will be the levels for GBPINR tomorrow. Let's see where the opening happens. Happy trading.